Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Leviton Decora with Google Assistant step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Leviton Decora device is connected and powered on. Make sure you have the Leviton Decora Smart Home app installed on your smartphone. Open the Leviton Decora Smart Home app. Sign in or create an account if prompted. Once logged in, navigate to the device section of the app. Select the device you wish to authorize with Google Assistant. Tap on the settings icon or the gear symbol for that specific device. Look for the option labeled Voice Control or Google Assistant. Select the option to link your Google account. You will be redirected to the Google sign-in page. Enter your Google account credentials and sign in. If prompted, allow the necessary permissions for the Leviton app. After linking, return to the Leviton app. Confirm that your device is now linked to Google Assistant. Next, open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Sign in to the same Google account if you haven't already. In the Google Home app, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Set Up Device. Choose the option for Works with Google. Scroll through the list to find Leviton and tap on it. Enter your Leviton account credentials if required. Once linked, your Leviton Decora devices should appear in Google Home. You may now assign your devices to specific rooms for easier control. To test, activate Google Assistant and issue a command for your Leviton device. Ensure you use the correct name you assigned in the app. With these steps complete, your Leviton Decora is now authorized with Google Assistant and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.